welcome to the Scottish Championships 2011. My name's Scott Davison and I'm racing Payback.
And pretty close out of the gate, looks like Jack. Black belt. John Wayne out down the side straight. So Jack's going to push all the race, making a move on the inside. And in goes, third for more. So Jack in the first, Brett second, and Scott Wayne moving. Then got Angel Jacob on the outside. Angel come in for third, Scott fourth, Scott fifth.
Scottish Open Championships, 11 September 2011. I'm Brett Archibald. I'm racing 20-inch Payback and 24-inch cruiser as well, so I'm looking forward to that. It's going to be fun, a bit wet, a bit windy, but we'll see how it goes.
And he's going to snap, it's looking like Jack now. Going into that first burn. Oh, we're looking safe coming out. Showing up in position. On back, second. Right, Jack's powering away down that front straight, down the berm. Right, Jackson. 25, Scott fourth, Robert fifth.
Hi, welcome to the Scottish Open Championships 2011. Yeah, my name is Jack Hall, racing for one bicycles, racing the Payback class and cruiser class. Hope to double up, win 2 titles today.
Taking away, just wants to step in from Jack.